is Christopher from Skylotec, and today I'd like to introduce you to the new service kit for the Milan rescue devices. The new Milan service kit is used for the repair and maintenance of all Milan rescue and evacuation devices. Compared to the old service kit, which you can see here, the newer Milan service kit combines all of the modules from the previous two kits into one newer, more comprehensive and more practical kit. Now I would like to introduce you to some of the advantages of the new service kit. The modular design of our latest version of the Milan service kit means it is more adaptable to your individual requirements. The modular design of our latest Milan service kit means it is now more comprehensive and adaptable to your individual requirements. The MILAN SERVICE SET 1 consists of a robust case as well as the necessary tools for the maintenance of all Milan rescue devices. The Service Set 2 consists of high-performance grease and locking varnishes for the maintenance of all Milan devices. The MILAN SERVICE SET 3, on the other hand, comprises all of the screws, pins, bearings that you will require for the maintenance of your Milan devices. Finally, the MILAN SERVICE SET 4 contains the individual spare parts required for the maintenance of your Milan device. Furthermore, in its basic version, the new service kit offers space for accommodating a complete set of spare parts for any other Milan device. The modular design of the new service kit not only offers greater flexibility but increased practicality, and it allows you to order only the consumables and spare parts that you actually require. This has the added benefit of allowing us to greatly reduce the ongoing and the initial costs to you. Included with every Milan service kit is a QR code. This will allow you to access the data safety sheets quickly and conveniently, whether you're in the office or out on site.